for vlogging. The Tello. It's something different, never been done before. But we're gonna go ahead and try it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, just to see if you can use the video quality of a Tello, if it still be alright. So now just see if I can vlog with it. And of course I have the tab. Now let's see if I can vlog with it. And of course I have the Tello shots.
It's crazy how I'm not really comparing it. I just want to see the video quality, what it's like, but it's not too bad. I mean, I have a Wi-Fi interference, you can see, but I mean the quality is not much of a difference. Of course it's a lower rate, but hey,
What this video going to be? Going. Woohoo! Love that. What this video going to be?
just my thought on this micro Tello drone. I'm just surprised, of course, the quality, but I know in the future, I mean, probably a year for 5 months from now is gonna get a lot better. But I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.